Hey, it's Kelly. I'm really excited to share this process video with you. I made this fun pocket page with the Cocoa Daisy kit for March, and I added 6 instax prints. And usually I mix it up and have some regular photos in there, but I thought I'm just gonna do 6 of the instax pictures and then just lots of embellishing and journaling about each of the pictures. All of these events happened within a week, and I don't usually scrapbook week by week, but as I was printing out some pictures, I realized they were all in a week, and I'm going to put them all together and just kind of make it a random mix of what happened. So we've got my son's wiggly tooth that lasted for over a week, and my baby turned 2 on Leap Day, so we celebrated him on February 28th, and my husband and I had our 13-year anniversary. And anyway, so I just kind of combined it all into one fun layout, and then I'll still give my birthday boy a separate layout because that's a big deal. I like using white backgrounds a lot, so I'm using some white cardstock paper to begin with for each of the pockets. And then sometimes I cover them up with 2 cards, but having that background will hold them together so they don't slide around. And sometimes the white background will show. And the cool thing about using this design of a pocket page is your instax prints can go either way and they'll fit just fine. So I've got some vertical and some horizontal. I'm just adding a banner to the top of this one. I think it will add a lot to it. And it's the perfect green to match the alpha stickers, so it will kind of pull it all together with that little bit of green. I'm just going to keep on working on it, and I'll add the journaling at the end. You'll notice I did another banner on this one, and I love it because I used a bunch of different pattern papers from the kit and just cut out a little piece of them, and it really helps to pull the whole layout together. So I could add some black, and I added a little yellow just to tie it all together. I also hand cut out a little tab shape to slide behind this instax, and that's a great way to add a little something. And then these cameras are so cute. They come from a full 12 by 12 page full of cameras from Maggie Holmes. So I cut those out, and they make a great embellishment, and they're so cute. I typed all the journaling on my typewriter and then cut them into strips, and I'm gonna just use a glue stick and glue those on right now. The last thing I'm going to add is some stamping. I love the stamps from the kit. So these ones say happy, so I'm going to do a couple of those. A little heart down here on the bottom, and then a couple hearts up here for our anniversary. And they just add a little something. So that's it. The layout is done. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It was really fun, and I love the colors and the instax. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.